Love at pag-ibig. Okay, so ano ang love? Ano ang pag-ibig? Naranasan mo na ba ito? Okay. Masarap ma-in love. Para kang nasa clouds, okay? Yes, oo. Love at pag-ibig. So cool, so warm, just in love. At the right time. And the perfect time. You'd experience love as in L-O-V-E. Oo, okay. Love at pag-ibig. Oh so sweet, oh so special. Right, okay, so. Love at pag-ibig. May crush ka ba? Sa school or work, okay. Or even yung malapit lang sa kapitbahay. Or lagi mo inaabangan mga posts ng crush mo. Sa social media, Facebook, Instagram, alam mo ba number niya? Text mo, call mo, video call mo, okay. Right? So, yes. Love at pag-ibig. Very, very nice feeling. Matamis, masarap. Magaan sa pakiramdam. Are you in love by this time? Okay, yes, oo. Oo, right, so. Love at pag-ibig brings you to the clouds, into the air, into the stars and sun, araw, and moon, windy feel, okay. Right, so yes. Love at pag-ibig brings a smile to yourself. Okay, think of him. Think of her. Is he or is she worth it? He, she, worth it? Is he or is she worth it? Time, effort, faith, destiny. Yes. Okay, love at pag-ibig. Minsan darating sa buhay mo. Minsan aalis din. Minsan bumabalik at nananatili. Minsan nandyan lang para sa'yo. Okay, oo. Right, so love at pag-ibig. Mararamdaman mo sa heart mo, sa puso mo, sa isipan mo, hindi maalis-alis. Palagi mo siya nasa isip. Yes, right, true. Oo, okay, so. Love at pag-ibig. If the time is right. If fate will let you. Yes, true, totoong pag-ibig. Mahal mo, edi go, okay. Love at pag-ibig. Is he or she cute? Maganda, gwapo, type mo. Mabait, mabuting tao. Di ka sasaktan, puso mo, okay. Love at pag-ibig. And it gets better every day. Okay, hope, pag-asa. Namapa sa'yo siya as in now. Okay, right, so tama. Mag-isip, magmahal, love. To the fullest, and give your best. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear.